Welcome. Today we're diving into Ansible, a fantastic automation tool that saves IT teams from headaches. It's open source, meaning it's free and fabulous. The best part, it doesn't need agents, it just works. We'll explore how it simplifies configuration management using easy-to-read playbooks. Stick around because by the end, you'll be a pro at making computers obey your commands. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Now, why should we trust Ansible for file copying? First, it's like having a super efficient assistant. No more tedious manual file transfers. It ensures consistency, so no oops, wrong file moments. Automation saves you from typing the same command 1,000 times. And hey, who doesn't love efficiency? Let's break down how Ansible makes life easier. Setting up Ansible is like assembling IKEA furniture, but without missing screws. Install it on your control node, list the hosts in an inventory file, write playbooks in YAML, not hieroglyphs, and run the Ansible playbook command. Follow these steps and soon, automation will be your new best friend. Ansible's copy module is the courier of the IT world, delivering files safely. It transfers files from the control node to your target hosts, whether local or remote. Wanna set permissions? No problems. Ownership? Handled. It's part of Ansible's core toolkit, making file transfers a breeze. File permissions might sound technical, but they are like VIP passes to data access. Using chmod, we control who can read, write, or execute a file. Chown lets us hand over ownership, but let's make sure we're not giving away keys to the kingdom. Always double-check permissions, especially when handling sensitive files, because an open file is like leaving your front door wide open. Copying files between remote hosts isn't just dragging and dropping. SCP ensures files travel securely, while rsync keeps data synchronized without unnecessary duplicates. But before hitting send, always verify authentication, because no one wants a mysterious hacker crashing the party. Oh, and compressing files saves time and bandwidth. Think of it as squeezing a suitcase to fit more into the overhead bin. Using variables is like giving files a GPS. They always find their way without hassle. Defining variables simplifies path management, and environment variables keep things consistent across systems. Hard-coding paths is like setting them in stone. Sounds sturdy, but flexibility disappears. Debugging is key, because one wrong variable and suddenly your files are lost in digital oblivion. Errors are like surprise plot twists, unwanted but inevitable. Clear error messages make debugging easier, and logs reveal what's happening behind the scenes. Validating inputs prevents your script from turning into a chaotic mess. And testing, well, let's just say launching untested code is like skydiving without checking the parachute. Efficient file copying is an art. Picking the right tool makes all the difference. Large files, compress them, think of it like fitting extra clothes into a carry-on. Parallel copying speeds things up, just like a team lifting a couch instead of one person struggling alone. Keep an eye on transfer speeds because slow files are just as frustrating as slow Wi-Fi. Real-world file copying makes life easier. Backups keep data safe, scheduled tasks take the manual effort out, and version-controlled transfers ensure nothing goes missing. Need teamwork? Secure sharing ensures everyone gets the right files. No more frantic email attachments. We've covered a lot, but it all boils down to security, efficiency, and the right tools. Don't just stick with what's comfortable. Explore different methods and see what works best for your needs. And remember, scaling up means planning ahead, so start thinking about automation early. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.